Good morning students, I am Bharat Kumar and I welcome all the students of class 10th in this video. Students, we were doing the chapter chemical reactions and equations. In this chapter, till now we studied about the how to balance the chemical equations. Then we started the topic types of chemical reactions. And in that first one, that is composition reaction, we had completed. Second one we are doing now, that is decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction also we had seen so many types of reaction. In our last video we had seen one of the important reaction of decomposition, that is electrolysis of water. Today we will see the remaining types of reactions of decomposition reaction and we will complete this topic. So let's start. One activity is given based on decomposition reaction. We need to take about 2 gram silver chloride in a china dish. Understood? What we need to take? 2 gram silver chloride, and the color of silver chloride is white. Clear? Now we place this china dish in sunlight. What we will do? We will place this china dish which is containing silver chloride in sunlight. We observe that the color of silver chloride changes to grayish white. Earlier the color of silver chloride was white, but when you will expose this silver chloride in sunlight, its color will change and will become grayish white. Why? Because due to the formation of silver metal. So when this silver chloride is kept in sunlight, decomposition takes place and this silver chloride is decomposed into silver and chlorine, and the color of silver we all know that's a grayish white, so the color will change and it will become from white to grayish white. Here is the reaction. It's a balanced chemical equation. AgCl, sunlight is passed, then it will be formed 2Ag, that is solid, and chlorine, that is a gas. Color of this silver will be grayish white and color of this chlorine will be yellowish green. Understood? Now another type of decomposition reaction you see, that is decomposition of silver bromide. Silver chloride we studied, now it is silver bromide. So this is the formula of silver bromide, AgBr, and it's a color of pale yellow. Now when again the light will be passed through it, it will again be decomposed into silver and bromine. So bromine is a gas, its color is red brown, and again silver, its color is grayish white. Now this reaction is used in black and white photography. Which reaction? The decomposition reaction of silver bromide, you can say. Decomposition reaction of silver bromide is used in black and white photography. So we can see that decomposition reaction require energy either in the form of heat, light or electricity for breaking down the reactants. So decomposition reaction can take place with the help of energy, and energy can be in any of the form, heat, light or electricity. So with the heat we studied the decomposition of calcium carbonate. With the electricity we studied the electrolysis of water, and today we studied the decomposition through light energy. So all these three examples you need to understand. Understood? So here it is, if you want to see it. So here there it is. So it was the decomposition of calcium carbonate, that is limestone, okay, by applying heat, and it will be decomposed into quicklime and carbon dioxide. Electrolysis we studied in last video, and today we studied about the decomposition of silver bromide and silver chloride. Now one more activity is there before completing this. Take about 2 gram barium hydroxide. What you need to take? 2 gram barium hydroxide in a test tube. Add 1 gram of ammonium chloride and mix with the help of a glass rod. What you need to do? You need to take barium hydroxide. You need to take barium hydroxide in a test tube, and also you need to take 1 gram of ammonium chloride in a test tube. And when you will keep this thing, when you will mix these two things with the help of a glass rod, a reaction will take place. Now you need to touch the bottom of the test tube with your palm. What do you feel? Is this an exothermic or endothermic reaction? In exothermic reaction, heat will be released, so definitely you will feel hotter, and in the endothermic, the heat is absorbed, so you will feel cool. So what you feel? Here is the answer. So this is the reaction BaOH whole 2, that is barium hydroxide, ammonium chloride NH4Cl. This is the balanced equation. These two are solids. So what will be formed? Salt will be formed, that is BaCl2 barium chloride. One gas will be released, that is ammonia, and water will be released. So this is called a double displacement gas evolution reaction. What it will call? Double displacement gas evolution reaction. About double displacement we will study in coming days, in coming classes, in this chapter only. So on that time I will explain the double displacement reaction. But here you should know that this is a double displacement gas evolution reaction. Why? Because the gas has been evolved. And which gas? Ammonia gas. In this reaction we see that the liquid temperature drops dramatically to about minus 20 degrees Celsius. That is, it is very cool. So definitely it is an endothermic reaction. Understood? Thus the reaction is highly endothermic because here the heat is being absorbed. I told you that if the heat would be released, then we would feel hotter, but here the heat is absorbed and temperature is drops down by minus 20 degrees Celsius, so it will be an endothermic reaction. Now we know that reactions in which energy is absorbed are known as endothermic reaction. I told you earlier also. So in this way, students, we completed the second type of reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Two questions I am giving you. You need to solve these two questions. In our next video, we will move towards another type of reaction, that is displacement reaction. So this is it for today. We will meet in next video. Till then, thank you.